Hey, Jeff Cheesehead Flipper here with another quick tip for how to take some photos of tall boots, especially the floppy ones. Because you try to set these guys up here, what's going to happen the second I let go of this? Oh no, that's not going to work. Now you can try to lay them flat, but sometimes they just don't still quite look right when you lay them flat. So what you want to do, get you some shipping paper, roll it up, and, well, you're kind of going for a leg type look here. You want to unzip this guy, stick it in there, and for your photo, I just chop it off a little bit at the top there so it's not sticking out the top. And you'll end up with something like this. So this boot here stands up just fine. Looks really good in your photos. You can position it, move it however you want. And that's just a little bit of paper in there. So, and it fell over. Oh. And that's another quick tip from the Cheesehead Flipper. You guys keep on listing, keep on selling, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.